How do you receive money through RIA? It depends on the option chosen by the sender. The most common method is cash pickup. The sender gives you a reference number, and you can visit any RIA agent location with your ID to collect the money. In some countries, RIA also supports bank deposits. In this case, you don't need to do anything at all. The money will arrive directly in your bank account. Another option is mobile wallet transfers, where the money goes straight to your wallet balance if your country supports that service. The process is simple. The sender starts the transfer. You receive a confirmation message or reference number, and you pick up or receive the money depending on the chosen method. So yes, receiving money through RIA is easy, fast, and convenient, whether you prefer cash, bank deposits, or mobile wallets. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple online money tips.